Hello and welcome into the 3D. Today you will learn the two ways of how to display frame rate in Unreal Engine 5. Let's start with the simplest one. Open the drop-down settings on the left top side of your viewport and click on Show FPS or use the shortcut of Ctrl-Shift-H. Now, Unreal Engine is displaying your FPS on the right side of your viewport and it will be visible when you are playtesting it as well. The second way of checking your FPS is go under Edit and open the editor preferences. In this window, under the General tab, open the Performance settings and enable the option called Show Frame Rate and Memory. Close the editor and your frame rate and memory informations should be visible on the top right side of the engine. This was the two ways of showing frame rate in Unreal Engine 5, and you can hit the subscribe button if you like this video. Once again, thanks for watching. I see you guys next time.